The University of Notre Dame is a world-renowned research university. So this laboratory is part of that mission to increase our impact on applied and fundamental research throughout the world. Another part of the university's focus is having a positive impact on the way that we use energy, and this laboratory is a part of that focus. Our original plan was to build a 5 megawatt test cell, and within about 5 years to build a 10 megawatt test cell. And due in part to the ease of installing and commissioning the Siemens 5 megawatt equipment and their flexibility in allowing us to power a 10 megawatt motor with the same VFD that we use to power the 5 megawatt motor, we were able to move that goal up by about 3 years. And so we've now built a 10 megawatt test cell quite a bit sooner than we had originally expected.
The benefit of the integrated drive system for the customer is that they have a single point of contact with Siemens to actually completely engineer and design the system solution for both the motor side, to cover all of the interferences and specific design requirements to handle no vibrations in the speed range, and also have a drive system solution that is digitally controlled to make sure that the drive is running the motor correctly through that the test and operating speed range of this application.
We learned early on, working with the Siemens team, that they weren't shy of answering any of the questions that the University of Notre Dame's Turbomachinery Laboratory asked. They offered solutions that were beneficial not only to us currently, but into the future. Things that we also benefit from working with the team out of Norwood, Ohio is we have a single point of contact if we ever have service questions or engineering questions. They also help us with the serviceability of the product that we have in our facility. Thus, we selected Siemens motors for all of our major components. It was very important to us to have an integrated solution, the drive and the motor working together in combination, not only with the current test cell, but with future test cells. The integration process of the regen power, very important to us, obviously, to get us off the external grid and put the power back into our internal grid so we can charge a lesser rate to our customers.
There are plenty of applications outside of the TurboLab application where this solution would actually equally apply. In the power generation space and in the oil and gas space, this same design can be applied because as time goes by, we do see more and more demand for higher horsepower and more innovative solutions to support the industrial needs.
I'm passionate about turbomachinery because it's big, it's loud, it's fast, and it's just a very, very challenging engineering problem. And it's a lot of fun to apply ourselves to such difficult problems.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.